Right, we've got an Audi S5 here, and as you can see, it's completely factory set up with regarding the actual audio itself. So it's a factory stereo, factory screen. So what we've been asked to do here is fit a CarPlay module. So what it does is just integrates into the factory system, but you're able to then connect your phone up to it with Android Auto or the CarPlay with iPhones. So what you have to do, you can see it's on normal settings there. So we need to go into media, go into source, and it's got external audio player already on there. So we need to push these two buttons together and hold on to it, and it goes into the CarPlay module. Now as you can see, that's basic information from my phone. So if I go into my Spotify and play, that's playing. Music for my actual Spotify, as you can see. So we flick it on to the next one. And also what we've done, we fitted a aftermarket reverse camera as well into this. So again, it's going through this kit, so it's actually integrated into the factory screen, as you can see. And it also gives you the steering wheel sort of turn on the actual guidelines, and your factory parking sensor as well is there as well. So that comes onto the screen. So put it back out, and it goes into our into the actual Spotify, and from here I could actually come out of it, then go into Google Maps, so it just gives you quite a few apps on this system. And also you get Bluetooth connectivity as well, and it's going directly from your phone to the actual CarPlay module. So yeah, so that's an aftermarket CarPlay module that's installed into this factory system, so it just all works seamlessly really and integrated into the factory system without anything that's showing on the dash.